Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video will be a quick clean and organize. I will be taking you guys along as I tackle my little one's room and get it all together. As you can see here, we're starting off with a complete disaster, but do not worry because the finishing results is so satisfying. Do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean up with me, or you can watch now and get motivation for later. Either way, let's get the cleaning.
Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I wanted to come and give you guys a tip. If you are starting off with a big mess or a complete disaster, organize into piles. That is the quickest way to tackle everything instead of you going in and out of the room. Organize everything that goes into a certain room in a pile and you can take it all at one time.
Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, 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 I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. You say you're tired, you don't wanna fight, but I've been wondering if everything's alright.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, I would like to thank you, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic designer, military wife, and also a boy mom. And on my channel, you will find tons of cleaning motivation, organization inspiration, and also some home decor. If this is something that you would enjoy, please consider subscribing because I would love for you to become a part of my YouTube family.
Can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. Don't feel right. It's like I want us to go on, but not if we are done. Baby, oh, we're killing time. Maybe you're trying to be nice. Maybe you got something to hide, but so much better if I knew. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
If you have made it this far in the video and you have not hit that like button, please do so now, because it helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself.
I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone, but you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might, 'cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do?
Now that I am done organizing his clothes in his closet, it is time to make the bed, and Carter would not let me be great.
Sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to on me. I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Na 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 na
If this is not enough cleaning motivation for you guys, I will have a playlist down below that will be jam-packed with cleaning and also laundry motivation. Do not forget to share this video with any family or friends who also enjoy watching cleaning videos.
You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick clean and organize with me, and it gave you all the motivation you need to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
'Cause I'm the only one who can see.